Welcome to Awcroft's YouTube channel, your world for information. Hey all, how are you? Hope you're good? Fine. Today we are going to test our intelligence with a few questions. Right. Before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It's a request. And if you have already subscribed, please make sure you hit the bell button so that you receive the notification of all the future videos. Thanks to all those who have subscribed. And now let's get into the topic. Please record your comments in the comment section, your answers in the comment section. Right? The first question is, where can you spot the loudest animal? The choices are A. Indian TV news channels, B. Under the sea, C. On the mountains, D. In the forest. I'm sure you would have guessed it right. Let's move on to the second one. A cashier at a butcher shop is 5'9". She wears size 8 shoes and she is 32 years old. What does she weigh? The answers are A. 58 kilograms, B. 60 kilograms, C. Meat, and D. Currency. I hope you like this. Let's move on to the next one. What word would become shorter when you add two letters to it? The answers are A. Noun, B. Short, C. Verb, D. Speed. Try guessing. Let's move on to the fourth one. The coronavirus is scientifically known as Kung flu virus, fear virus, SARS-CoV-2, MERS. I'm sure you must have been free from lockdown by now, but we are still in lockdown. Right, next move on to the next one. If you could associate Rinsin to Ram and Varatsin to Bharat, what would you associate Larsa with? The answers are A. Nepal, B. Tibet, C. Ayodhya, D. Central Asia. Let's move on to the next one. Sun is bigger than Earth by? The choices are A. 13 times, B. 130 times, C. 1300 times, and D. How much ever times you can see. That's the choice. Sometimes it's very difficult to. I'm not that great with numbers, Let's move on to the next one. The hashtag Black Lives Matter was initiated to condemn the acquittal of A. George Zimmerman, B. Julian Assange, C. Edward Snowden, and D. Osama bin Laden. You know this. It's quite popular these days. Black Lives Matter hashtag is trending everywhere. Right. The next question. 2008, 2011, 2014, 2017. Which number should come next in the pattern? 2022, 2019, 2021, 2020. Which of the following can be arranged into a 5-letter English word? And the choices are what you see on the screen. You can guess. You can guess which one makes a sensible letter, right? Now let's move on to the last question, the 10th one. Which is the flattest country in the world? A. Iraq, B. India, C. Cuba, and D. Maldives. I hope you had a good time to look at all the questions. If you want to answer these questions, please go into the comment and record your answers. You will soon see the answers in the comment section by me for all the questions, all these questions. I hope you had a good time. Thank you for participating. Have a nice day. Bye bye.